To add Afterpay to Big Cartel, start by logging into your Big Cartel dashboard and navigating to the Settings area. Click on the Payments tab and look for the Payment Gateways section. In this section, you will see a list of available payment gateways, including Afterpay. Click on the Afterpay option and you will be prompted to enter your Afterpay merchant ID and secret key. These details can be obtained by signing up for an Afterpay merchant account on their official website. Once you have entered your Afterpay credentials, click the Save Changes button to enable Afterpay as a payment gateway on your Big Cartel store. Afterpay will now be available as a payment option for your customers during the checkout process. To customize the Afterpay payment option, click on the Edit Payment Gateway button next to the Afterpay option. Here, you can specify the countries where Afterpay is available, set a minimum and maximum order total for Afterpay purchases, and choose whether to display the Afterpay payment option on the cart page or only on the checkout page. It is also important to test the Afterpay payment gateway to ensure it is working correctly. To do this, go through the checkout process as a customer and select Afterpay as the payment option. Verify that the Afterpay payment option is displayed correctly and that the payment is processed successfully. By following these steps, you can easily add Afterpay to your Big Cartel store and provide your customers with a convenient and flexible payment option. This can help increase conversions and improve the overall shopping experience for your customers.